Are you tired of juggling multiple appliances to prepare a single meal? Say goodbye to kitchen clutter and hello to culinary convenience with the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus. This all-in-one countertop powerhouse is designed to simplify your cooking routine while delivering delicious results every time. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie, Dehydrator and Convection oven into your kitchen. Versatile cooking options. With the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus, you can do it all: air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, and roast all in one convenient appliance. Whether you're craving crispy fries, juicy rotisserie chicken, or perfectly baked desserts, this versatile kitchen essential has you covered. Efficient cooking technology. Say goodbye to lengthy preheating times. The CHEFMAN Air Fryer Plus utilizes rapid air heating elements to cook food faster and more evenly than traditional ovens. With its innovative convection technology, you'll enjoy crispy, delicious results in a fraction of the time. Healthier cooking, less oil. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence with the CHEFMAN Air Fryer Plus. With its advanced air frying technology, you can enjoy all your favorite fried foods using 98% less oil than traditional fryers. From crispy chicken wings to golden onion rings, you can satisfy your cravings without compromising on flavor or texture. User-friendly design. Cooking perfect meals has never been easier. With 17 preset options and an intuitive capacitive touch control screen, anyone can become a culinary master in minutes. Simply select your desired cooking function, adjust the settings to your preference, and let the Air Fryer Plus do the rest. Family-sized capacity. Whether you're cooking for one or meal prepping for the whole family, the CHEFMAN Air Fryer Plus has the capacity to handle it all. With its extra-large 10-liter capacity, you can easily prepare family-sized meals or batch cook your favorite dishes for the week ahead. Easy monitoring and cleanup. Keep an eye on your food's cooking progress with the interior lights and extra-large air fryer oven window. When it comes time to clean up, the removable drip tray and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your culinary creations. Why you need it. The CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus isn't just an appliance, it's a game changer for your kitchen. With its versatile cooking options, efficient technology, and user-friendly design, this all-in-one air fryer simplifies meal prep, saves you time, and helps you cook healthier meals for you and your family. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.